Hi everyone, I'm Lynn with Miyo Lash, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about the different styles of lash extensions that you can get. So the first one that you can get is called a classic set, and that is when one extension is glued to an individual, to one natural lash. So if you're looking for a more natural look, this one would be the best set to get. And then the second one that you can get is called a hybrid. So that one is a mixture of classic and volume. So what a volume extension is two or more extensions that is glued onto the natural lash. Now with the hybrid set, it does give you a bit of fullness, but it's still, I would say, can be natural looking as well. And another style that you can opt for is called volume. So with the volume, what you have are multiple extensions that are glued throughout the eye, and that is between 2 to 5 extensions glued onto one natural lash. And this look is great if you want it to be super full and dramatic looking. Now another popular style that a lot of girls are getting these days is called a mega volume. So with the mega volume, anything that is over 6 extensions is considered a mega volume, and that gives you a very dark look, and it gives you a lot of fullness as well. So if it's your first time getting a full set, what I would suggest is to talk to your lash technician and see which one would best suit you. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.